I have seen the light. A new Nigeria is possible. This is 16 years that we have suffered from PDP, and another 8 years that they crucified us with APC. Now it's 24 years of wuru and anarchy, and the only thing that they shed to us is poverty. Yet they have the audacity to question my integrity while they put their knees on my throat. They believe to feed my family I can sell almost anything, but tell these people I ain't selling my vote. I ain't selling my vote, I ain't selling my vote. I wanna use my PVC to vote for Peter Obi. So no matter how much money that your people offer me, tell your party I ain't selling my vote. I ain't selling my vote, I ain't selling my vote. I wanna use my PVC to vote for Peter Obi. So no matter how much money that your people offer me, tell your party I ain't selling my vote. I can sell my car, I can sell my house, I can sell whatever just to put food in my mouth. But no matter how much that they do me longer throat, let me tell you I ain't selling my vote. I ain't selling my vote, I ain't selling my vote. I wanna use my PVC to vote Labour Party. So no matter how much money that your people offer me, tell your party I ain't selling my vote.
Come out and vote this Saturday, the 25th day of February 2023, for Peter Obi as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Yusuf Datti Baba Ahmed as his Vice President under the Labour Party. Papa, Mama, Pekin. This message is from the Peter Obi Good Governance Advocates, POGA.